Hello, my great and wonderful people. We welcome you once again to our today's episode of this program. And today we get another one for our table. We want quickly review to Una. And also for the course of the program, we'll see the show Una another video again. When it say it they come from the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. When it say in name na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. How is Tite other any group of team when it be say he associate with the Nigeria group, say they will have themselves to blame. He don't give a matching order, say may all IPOB disengage themselves from every group when it be say it gets to do with Nigeria. But before we show another broadcast as well, we get this very one here when it be say we want to try to do one or two reading. And the title of this one to say, Nnamdi Kanu say he don't order IPOB to stop to the attack Yoruba people. And this very one reached our table July 23rd, 2020. I will beg una say make una beg dey patient with us because we get a lot when it be say we want to try to put our hand for inside this very program. And also, in case today now the first time when you say they hear about us on the channel, but this I beg make you not forget to help us hit that subscribe button and also the small bell when they near us so that anytime we bring a new update, you know, with the suffer to look for it will only come to you like a message. Our prayer, remember, say they say we want to say they support us on the channel. Now they say when God with the same people, when will they support you for everything when it good when you put your hands to do in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. All right, my people, may we go straight to the details of this news. And as we put our hand there for inside this matter, the comic understand say the indigenous people of Biafra, when it say they see the call IPOB, say it don't direct his own media theme, make sure say it stop attack against the Yoruba and Yoruba nation. And still on top of the matter, the comic understand say for a statement when it be say the head of directorate of the state, when it be say in name na Chika Idozie, when it be say he offer, he direct all the old media personnel, make them make sure say they abide by the instruction when it be say the leader of their people, when it be say in name na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu offer. Say make them make sure say they stop the attack when it be say that they carry out against the Yoruba. And as we go deep again, the contour say IPOB statement still on the one when it be said that they talk before they talk say consequent upon the directive when it be say Oyindu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, and also IPOB for the whole wide world during his own live broadcast on Sunday when it be July 19th, 2020. It talks say make him make sure say this word when it be say they talk so say all the whole IPOB for the whole wide world put on into action to make sure say all the attack when it be say that they carry out against Yoruba people, make them make sure say they cease for all the attack with immediate effect. And not be only that one, the directorate of the state of the indigenous people of Biafra say they don't see and say it is necessary for them to repeat this word again and again until every one of the IPOB hear this very word to make sure say all the directive when it be say the leader give say all of the obey. And still on top of the matter, they can talk say to this very effect, all IPOB media personnel when it be said that they operate for different segments and platforms, even though say now for print or radio, visual and social media, and even as well the generality of IPOB family members, may them make sure say they obey this very directive when it be said the leader give to them. And for us to conclude this matter, the contour say once again, say now time for them to exhibit the discipline when it be say everybody know IPOB for. And not be only that one, they must make sure say they use the knowledge and also information when it be say they acquire from Radio Biafra during Oyindu's teaching. And also the one when it be say they attain also during their individual research to make sure say they present their own viewpoints concerning issues for public interest and also debates. All right, my great and wonderful people. Now the new one when it be say we receive from the indigenous people of Biafra, the leader, most especially when it be say in name na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, when it be say it give his own people instruction to make sure say every attack when it be say that they carry out against the Yoruba nation before now, may they make sure say it stop na in be that one. And before we leave una make una share una opinion with us on the comment section as we always they do. One thing we want to try to figure out here, not past be say, we thank God for this moment. Yes, we thank God because we don't continue to talk and say, for this race, for this freedom battle, when it be say, we the head to. Honestly, Igbo alone no will feel achieve. IPOP alone no will feel achieve. Yoruba alone no will feel achieve. Because why? If you look at very well, say, if teamwork not carry out during this very struggle, so nobody they go anywhere. Why would they talk from this very viewpoint, not past be say? If you look around today, this present Nigeria today, you will see and see all the military personnel, when it be say it concern the nation, all of them now this Fulani, Hausa Fulanis. Right from the army, navy, to the list of police, even the vigilante, when it be say, now the federal government get control over them, you will see and say, now Hausa Fulani, now they head all of them. Okay, we know if we ask ourselves question why it be say, this security outfit, when it be say, every zone they try to set up, why it be say, they outstand the authority today? Why it be say, yes, they not give go ahead? Because yes, they know say, anytime when it be say, all these things come up, their own power over this security issue, it don't they reduce. So, no way when it be say only one side of the country will say they want go on this battle, say they will win. It not feel possible. Thank God for the life of this very leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, when it be say it take come to this very extent to make sure say it give instruction to in people to make sure say this attack to Yoruba against Igbo, say it make sure say it stop. And it won't do and not be say it's not something when it be say it do privately, it put it into writing and make sure say it give instruction to even from radio to media and even to the writing. Make them make sure say all this attack is stop. I still believe say this one and they say one good turn deserve another. I still believe say now the turn of the Yorubas now to still give that kind of instruction to their own people to make sure say we get one safe vision. Because if you look at very well, say now they say suffer, now all of us they suffer. Yes, now they say struggle, now all of us they. The one when it is say they don't they free, nobody they free for this kind of issue. Because for even the Yoruba, if you not take instruction from the Hausa Fulani, you not fit do anything. See the Amotekun when it be say come answer. Right, even up till now, Amotekun not the function properly. Concerning the vision when it be say they set up this group, it not fit function well because of the problem of this same Hausa Fulanis. You see, nobody they free unless we won't continue to remain a slave, just like those people when it be say they're supposed to stand on our behalf. The one when it be say, yes, God don't still uplift small politically. When it be say they're supposed to be the voice of the rest people. People like this Obansanjo, people like Tinubu, people like so on and so forth. People like all this Arthur Eze, people like Ohaneze Ndigbo. When it be say they're supposed to stand to defend their people, then they don't they politically affiliated to this set of people. Those people, they be as well set of the problem when it be say, yes, it still they restrict this freedom until today. Sorry if I talk to offend anybody, but the truth must be said. Why would they talk all this thing? Now the time when it be say, all these people supposed to put their head together to say, may we really look deep. The reason why it be say this struggle, they persist. Why people they demand for this struggle, so that all of us will put our hands together, put our hand on the desk to make sure say we do something about them. Because if you really look at the details, you will see and say, this Hausa Fulani, they don't really get power. They're not really that strong like that. Now, just strategies that they use to manipulate we. Because if we come to that understanding, we will see, say, to get ourselves free from this very bond, it not really take anything. Now, just our own idea. We just as in, put our minds together, come together to know, say, we when they fight against ourselves, it's not supposed to be like that. And if we come to this reality, honestly, now little thing for us to get. All right, my great and wonderful people, I beg, I know say a lot of people would they offended the way when they be at talk. I know they try to condemn the Yoruba or the Igbos, but they try to bring a one vision, say make we work together, just like this leader don't already bring the instruction and make the Yoruba still work on their own aspect. The Edos work on their own aspect. The Ibibios, the Efik, may everybody work on their own aspect. These differences between Asari to Gumbo, this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, this Tony Nnamdi, all this they made it stop. All of them, if you look and where, see, now one vision, now everybody they yearn for. Just that with the see from different angle. This leadership or this power torso is still there amongst us. And it's not supposed to be like that. We never become a nation of our own. This power torso there amongst us. What if we don't become a nation tomorrow? You will see and say, if we continue with this vision, we know they go anywhere. Even though say we they independent, we know if we achieve our full potential as a nation. Just like the vision when it be say we dey fight right now. Now be the reason why they say when they talk like this, say may everybody calm down. Calm down. Humanity need to play a big part for this very time, even beyond. All right, I will leave una and make una watch this same video or this same audio broadcast when they say Mazi Nnamdi also give concerning the former Nigeria. Will I use that very word? Now, former Nigeria Football Club for Germany, how it did dismantle and to rename him again as IPOP. I don't know. Just watch this audio. I will come back for the conclusion.
Nigeria is fast, Nigeria, let me correct name, Niger area. Niger area is fast becoming a strategic failure and irrelevant to the world. But I have a few announcements to make, very, very important, please. I am directing from this very evening that the Nigeria Community Germany Football Club, if you know it, those of you in Hamburg, you know this. We collapsed it. Because nothing like, and I'm also telling our people tonight, I don't want to hear about any Nigeria association anywhere again. I want Biafrans to remove themselves from every Nigeria association anywhere in the world. You are either in IPOB or you are in your local meeting, be it Bende, be it Arochukwu, be it Anang meeting, be it Bibio meeting, be it Hizon meeting, be it Igede meeting. I don't want to hear that any Biafran is attending any useless Nigerian meeting anywhere in the world. We don't want them. Because Nigeria is gone. Niger area is gone. Therefore, I am directing that the previous Nigerian Community Germany Football Club in Hamburg be renamed from tonight. IPOB Football Club, IPOB FC in Hamburg. IPOB FC in Hamburg is the new name. No longer Nigerian Community Germany Football Club. Rubbish is gone. I am also glad that this very formidable family of IPOB in Hamburg especially have successfully collapsed the Nigerian Community Nonsense meeting in Hamburg. I expect the same thing to happen all over the world. What we are going to have is IPOB, Oduduwa people, because of this newfound alliance. You can join Igbo meetings if you like. Efik, Urobo, Igede, Idoma, Egala, Izon, Ibibio, Anang, Efik, Ishekiri, Ekomo, any group at all, but not Nigeria. Anything with the name Nigeria in it, no Biafran should be in it. Because the zoo is gone. It is gone, completely gone. Our move now is to collapse everything to do with the zoo all over the world. Anywhere you see anything to do with Nigeria, Niger area, make sure you undermine it. Don't attend the association meetings, anything to do with Nigeria, because those at the helm of affairs are only there to basically to help politicians to loot money, to help them to buy houses, and then to await their own turn to go and loot. That's all they're good for. And you see them speaking grammar from morning till night. And that won't even make NEPA to bring the light. Never. You are still in darkness. Still using your I better pass my neighbor tiny generator to making noise all over the place. We are going to collapse everything to do with the zoo. Do not join their association anywhere in the world. We have done so in Hamburg, in Germany. We have collapsed it. Anywhere you see Niger area group or association in the world, collapse it. If you're a Biafran and you are in any Niger movement anywhere in the world, You are an impediment to our progress. You are an enemy of the people. And you're the child of a slave, and you will die a slave in turn.
All right, my great and wonderful people. I believe say all of us don't watch that very broadcast from the leader of indigenous people of Biafra when it be say in name na Manzim Nnamdi Kanu na in be that one. How it collapsed the former Nigeria Community Football Club of Germany and rename again now. Right now, the name now na IPOP Football Club of Germany. All right, waiting, we will talk again. But one thing we want to try to talk, now time for us to put our house in order. Even as all these things, they go on, honestly, I know say yes, Igbo, they really get a lot to work on, honestly. We they talk, not be say, we not they use this moment to talk, say Igbo, not they unite. Not be that word we they talk, no. It don't reach the time when it be say we really need to put our house in order. Even as we talk, we see they talk to the Yorubas. As we all don't hear from me own brokers right now, say because of the new alliance, when it be said they don't form with the Yorubas, say they fit join if they wish or if they like, they fit join any IPOP meeting all over the world. If they still like, say they want form their own meetings to discuss the way forward, all of them now their own choice. So now we don't know say time don't they fast spend. Yes, may everybody put their house in order. Because make it not be say all this our common enemy, the still can take us unaware for all these things when it be say we don't already know. It will be a very dangerous situation. Because why? We all say we don't need war. For us to really take that thing when it be say it rightfully belong to us, when it be say enemy don't already take for their own possession, they don't already take captive. It no will really be something like butter and bread. No, it no will be. But if God did on our side, say we fit take like play like joke, to God be the glory. If it still can't happen in another way round, make we know say we dey prepare. All right, we'll leave una make una share una opinion with us on the comment section. I bet make you not forget to help us share this broadcast so that if you see reach our brothers and sisters all over the world. As you do so, God Almighty will bless you all in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. All right, we don't come to the end of today's program now. We would like to draw this curtain here. We will see you again when we see you. Remember, we love you all. Bye-bye.